Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this August 2022 unboxing is for the young lady who commented on last year's August unboxing and was wondering why the hell we didn't have any of the same stuff. So here we go. August 2022 Your Nail Lab unboxing. Let's go. All right. So this was the box where you could basically take a quiz to like customize your contents. So your girl Jen went online. I had to cancel my account and resubscribe in order to take the quiz. Somehow I ended up buying 3 boxes. So there will be a giveaway in this video, but you have to stay tuned to find out what you have to do to win that giveaway. So the first thing in this box are some nail glitters and nail stickers, and I believe these were from the Birds of Paradise collection, but they're also giving me, like, these two right here are giving me total like fall vibes. I'm loving the feathers, very cute. And we also got some like paper stickers. There's like leaves and flamingos and all kinds of cute stuff like that. And then let's see what's in here. All right, so this is gonna be hard to see. We'll put it against my lovely hand. They are just some black and white feathers. And then we got just some bird love stickers going on over here. So let's put this to the side. The next thing, I got 2 different gel polishes. So I got a purple and a blue. This is called Maureen. I wonder why they named it that. It's very pretty. It's more on like the thin side. I know some people complain that Makartt has like thick gels. Honestly, I like the gel consistency. I've never really found a gel polish that I don't like or that I would be like, oh my god, I hate it, it's terrible. This is Sky Blue. Gorgeous, aptly named, makes total sense. Okay, so we got 2 different poly gels. We got one in Top Notch and Pumpkin Orange. I'm just going to break the seal a little bit so we can see what they look like. Oh my gosh, that is orange. I'm excited to use this for Halloween. Ooh, I have an orange from them, but it's not like a pumpkin-y orange. It's not bright like that, so I'm excited. And then this is Top Notch. I'm assuming this is gonna be like sort of a rosy gold color. Oh no, it's not. It's like a holographic, like, I gotta put this on something. I gotta swatch it on something. I'm sorry, Makartt. I'm swatching it on your little tab here because you need to see what this looks like, guys. It's not at all what I was expecting. It's like a holographic. It's not focusing because all this crap in the background, but I hope somehow my husband can like work his magic to be able to see what this looks like because it's stunning. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever seen a poly gel that looks like this before. It literally looks like a galaxy on this page. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop the orange on here too so you can just see what that looks like. Might as well, right? That is like highlighter orange. The camera cannot, like, it can't handle neon shades. I have realized that it just can't do it. Like, it's showing up more like golden orange, but this is straight up like highlighter color orange, and it's beautiful and I'm living for it. So let's move along. Let's try not to touch this. So I'm gonna put you over there, baby. All right, next. My camera is overheating, so I'm trying to get through this as fast as possible. The next thing we have is a nail liner in rose gold, and I'm really happy about this because I had ordered one of their liner gels. Oh, stunning. It was someone's collaboration, and I can't remember who it is now, and it was in a rose gold color. And when I put it back in the jar, it was like so thick, and you know, like the liner brush is so long on those things, it bent the brush and like it's basically useless now. So I'm really happy that we have that. And then we have a holographic top coat, and when I tell you that this is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my entire life, it is stunning. I need to move these things out of the way so you can see what I'm talking about. It is just gorgeousness in a bottle. Like, please zoom in. right there. Oh God. Like if you can see the glitter, oh, it's just beautiful. It would go gorgeously on top of these cat eye nails. And in case you're wondering what those are, they're from BG Art Box. And stay tuned for that video because it's coming soon. Okay, and the last item that we have is a nail surface cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 formula, so I'm assuming it's like a dehydrator and a cleanser. That's what most of these 2-in-1, like I have, you know, the Young Nail Swipe. That's pretty much what it is. It dehydrates and cleans your nails at the same time. So my consensus on this box is that it's amazing. It is totally like getting us ready for the fall season. I love that Makartt does that with their boxes, that they kind of send you stuff not for like the current month, but for the next month, and they try to like get you some good stuff to get you going. You know, like we, unfortunately where I live, like it's almost September, like summer is almost over, like we're moving into fall pretty quickly. Weather is cooling down, so I'll probably be starting like fall nails pretty early. I like everything in the box as usual, but sadly I think this is going to be my last box for a while. I just have a lot of stuff right now and I get a lot of PR now, so it's hard for me to get to my boxes and be able to do like nail looks with them. Unfortunately, I have like 3 boxes that I didn't even get to. I have 2 boxes that I didn't even get to do anything with. Like they're sitting next to my stuff and I really wanted to use them, but I just didn't have a chance. So I think once I'm done with like this batch of PR that I've got to get through, I will go ahead and just do like an all Makartt, like Your Nail Lab box nail look or something like that, where I can like at least use the stuff and show it to you on camera, because I like their products and I like to use them. So let me just move everything into frame so you can see it better. And here we go. We're getting to the part for the giveaway. So I have 2 boxes to give away. So what I want you to do is comment down below the word crabapple. Okay? Yes, I know it's random, and it's random for a reason. I don't care if you just put the word, if you use it in a sentence. Oh, and you must be subscribed. So don't forget, you need to be subscribed and comment the word crabapple. Crabapple down below before you leave, or you won't be entered into the giveaway. The other 2 boxes are the polygel boxes, because I did the same quiz over and over again, not realizing what I was doing, because it's kind of like confusing on their website when you're checking out and stuff. They do need to work on it. So I think one is an orange, one is a yellow, and I think the only difference is like instead of, I think you get like pink and white in one and then blue and pink in another, but you still got like all this other stuff. So it's really just the difference between this polygel, the gel polishes, but everything else is the same. So I'm really excited to give these away to you guys. I don't know, I'm done. I think this video is over. I really don't have anything else to say. I'm the most awkward person when it comes to finishing a video. So don't forget, subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.